Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you the complete step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Palmpay in 2025. Safe and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app to your phone. Tap the swap feature. This is the where you log exchange all cryptocurrency for another. Now in the form section, select BTC or whatever crypto you currently hold. In the to or receive section, search for and select USDT, also known as Tether. Enter the amount you want to swap and confirm the transactions. Wait for a few seconds for the swap to complete. Once it's done, go back to your Trust Wallet home screen. Now tap on Send. We're going to transfer that USDT to Palmpay. Select the correct network for the transfer. This is super important. Choose BEP20 or ERC20 depending on what your Palmpay wallet supports. To avoid any loss, double check the network your Palmpay wallet is compatible with before sending. Next, paste the Palmpay wallet address of your recipient. Review the details, amount, network, address. Once everything looks good, confirm the transactions and that's it. Your funds will now be on their way to the Palmpay wallet. The transfer might take a few minutes depending on network congestions, so be patient. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.